Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Sticky Notes app on your computer and signing in if it prompts you. This ensures sync and backup. Once open, create a new note with the plus button or Ctrl+N, CMD+N on Mac, so you can start capturing information immediately. Give the note a concise title or first line so you can spot it quickly on your desktop, and pick a contrasting color. Colors speed recognition when you have many notes. Now you have a working note ready for organizing. Now you focus on making notes useful rather than just visible. Resize and drag notes to cluster related items, pin important notes so they stay on top of other windows. Use simple formatting, bold headings, bullet lists, and line breaks to separate tasks, deadlines, and references. Keyboard shortcuts speed this up. Once done, group related notes by color or keyword and consider placing clusters on different virtual desktops for context. These steps turn scattered reminders into a fast finish by ensuring your notes are saved and synced. Open Settings and enable Cloud Sync or Backup to prevent data loss. Export critical notes or copy them into a document for redundancy, and use the app search to pull up keywords quickly when you need to act. If a note vanishes, make sure you're signed in, check sync status, and update the app. These steps fix most missing note issues. If problems persist, restart the app and restore from the most recent backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.